Mission 1 starts now. This is the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. Compact, but packed with pro-level power. It's rocking a 1-inch sensor, which means better low-light shots and way less noise, so you're covered from dusk to dawn. The new next-gen processor means higher resolutions and faster frame rates, perfect for smooth slow-mo and clean action shots. And it has 8K video. That's up to 300% more pixels than 4K. Yes, we said 300%. Plus, with OpenGate Capture, you get more frame to work with when editing, so you can optimize for multiple platforms. Wanting to take photos? With Mission 1 Pro, you get up to 50 megapixels, so stills look just as good as video. And if you shoot at night, you've got built-in effects for light trails, motion streaks, and creative long exposure shots. Super fun to play with. And of course, it's a GoPro. If you're shooting in conditions like snow, mud, and water, it'll handle it. In fact, it's waterproof down to 20 meters straight out of the box. If you want your action shots to look properly cinematic, it's your mission to check out the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, now at JB Hi-Fi.